Face is no big whoop.
Listen, Denji. I believe that when it comes to sexual matters, the better you understand your partner, the better you'll feel. But understanding another's heart is easier said than done, so start small. Perhaps with hands. Take your time and carefully study them. How long are their fingers? And their palms? Are they cold? Or are they warm? What's the shape of their ears? Has anyone bitten your finger before? Pay attention. Remember this so that even if you lost your vision, you'd still recognize me, just from how hard I bite. Memorize it.
I think I got it.
Denji, dear. There's a favor I'd like to ask. If that's all right.
Sure.
I want you to bring down the gun devil for me.
The gun devil?
13 years ago, it first appeared in America. Its current location is unknown. This particular devil is very strong, and I've yet to meet a hunter who didn't want to slay it. But while most are all talk, I think you could actually pull off the kill. You're special, more so than any of the other devil hunters. So if you prove me right and execute the gun devil, you may tell me any wish you have, and I'll ensure that it comes true.
You're saying if I'm able to find and murderize this thing, then you'll see to it that my wish comes true? No matter what the wish is, you'll do it?
Mm-hmm.
Hang on. I'm not sure I understand. If I figure out a way to kill the gun devil, you, Miss Makima, are gonna personally grant any wish that pops into my head?
Mm-hmm.
Anything, though? Like even
Yes, Denji. Any wish.
Holy shit! And that ain't breaking the rules?
It's only permissible because this target is such a threat, mind you. To counter devils, humans need weapons, and for a time they tried to cash in on guns. Crime and conflict increased worldwide as a result of that.